Hi, this is Zach from AudioMy.com, and today I'm going to show you guys how to send an email in Visual Basic. So first thing we need to do is create a new project, so let's go up here to File, and then hit New Project. Once we're here, go ahead and click Windows Forms Application, and then give it a name. So I'm going to name mine Send Email. Go ahead and click OK after you get that done. So now that our blank project is loaded up here, we need to give it a button. So let's go over here to our toolbox, click Button, and then put it onto our form. If your toolbox isn't located right there, there's an icon right here for toolbox, or you can hit Control Alt and X. So go ahead and name your button whatever you want. I'm going to name mine Send. So after you get that done, go ahead and double click your button to get to the code. So now that we're in our code, at the very top of our code, we need to type in imports system.net.mail. And if you don't feel like following along with the video, I have a written tutorial on my website, and I'll have all the code. You can just copy and paste it to your form. So under private sub button, one click, we need to type in dim email message as new mail message. Under that, we need to type in try, and then for that we need to type in email message dot from equals new mail address. And then right here, if you have a Gmail account, I'd recommend doing that because this tutorial is for Gmail accounts. You'll see why in a second. So if you have an extra Gmail account, just use it here. So I'm going to use ydmy@gmail.com. Oops. Okay. So under email message dot from, we need to type in email message dot to dot add, and then we need to type in the email address that it's going to go to. So the first email address is where it's going to be sent from, and this is to the email that's going to be sent to. So go ahead and type in a different email address than you had before. So there we go. Under to.add, we need to type in email message dot subject, and this is going to be the subject of the email. So yeah, I'm going to type in the subject. So under the subject, we need to type in email message dot body equals, and right here is going to be what's going to be inside the email, so the body of the email. So put the message here. So under body, we need to type in dim SMTP as new SMTP client, and then so since we're using Gmail, we're going to use smtp.gmail.com. If you are not using Gmail for your sender's address, you're going to have to find the SMTP yourself, but if you have Gmail, it's right here. So under that, smtp.port equals 587. I'm pretty sure that's the default for most of them, but if it's not, you're going to have to read into that, but that is for Gmail, so if you're using Gmail, you're good. So smtp.enable SSL equals true. Under that, we need to type in smtp.credentials equals new system.net.network credential. Okay, so right here you were going to put your Gmail account that you used before, so ydmy@gmail.com. So the email that you used right here is going to go right here, and then beside that we're going to put a comma, and then we're going to put in the password. So we're going to put your password here, and I'm obviously not going to type it in, but I'll give you an idea right there. Okay, so the email you used before right there, and then the password to that email right there. So underneath that, you need to type in smtp.send email message, and then we're going to, okay, we already got, so under that, it's going to say catch X as exception. If that's not there, go ahead and type that in, but it should automatically put that. So there we go. That's the code you need to send an email in Visual Basic. So if you couldn't follow along, check out the written tutorial because it's going to have all the code, and you can just copy and paste it, or you can look at it or whatever. So this video took me, or to edit this video and everything, it's going to take me about 2 hours, including writing the tutorial, doing this video, rendering it, uploading it, and whatever. So least you could do is like this video and subscribe. So I hope this video could help you.